welcome back to our channel Artbeat Creativity. Today we will be learning how to make a photo frame using papers, and to decorate it we learn how to make beautiful flowers out of papers. So let's get started. So kids, to make this DIY we need pencils, scissors, a ruler, glue, some color papers if it is available, or newspapers, else any of your old notebooks that you have used it, you can use them to create the stand of the frame. Alright, so let's get started. To start with, I am taking a very basic rough paper. You need to take a pencil, keep one end of the pencil here, okay, and start rolling it tight. Alright, see, we'll keep the paper inside and then we'll slowly start rolling. Keep the other end of the pencil outside, right, and then we will start rolling, roll till the end. We'll keep rolling. You can take big or small, any size of paper, how big your stand you want, that long you can use a paper. So go at this end and then we will close it. Yeah, it got stuck. Now you remove your pencil. Similar way we'll make 3 more. So the end we will just trim it off so that it becomes even from all the sides. So it will look like a tube. Got it? Yes. So same way we can do with colorful sheets as well. Whichever color frame or border you want, you can take that color paper and just do the same. I have made few more. Okay, now what we have to do next is we will keep the tube like 2 ends. Since this is a smaller one, I will keep 2 in the opposite direction and other 2 I will keep in this direction. You can change the shape as well. One end longer and this end longer, and decorate it. And today I am going to teach you a square shape frame. So all you need to do is put some glue in this corner and here. Alright, and then you take the other tube and just stick it onto this. Right? Let it dry. Just give it a press, it will dry. Then take the next one. Put some glue here and here. And we will stick the other one here. So let the tubes dry. Okay. So till this is getting dried, I will be teaching you how to make flowers to decorate this. So now I've taken a pink color paper. All you need to do is fold it into 3 parts, 3 equal parts. You can even take a white A4 sheet paper if you don't have any paper available at home. So just fold it into equal 3 parts like this, and then you need to cut it into 3 sheets, single sheets, this and this side. Understood? So now you get 3 equal portions. Got it? Now we'll again keep it together and cut the sheet into half again. So we'll keep it in the middle, fold it, and we will cut it from the middle of the paper. So now we have got 6 square shape of paper. So let's make the first bit. So you need to fold it into half. Okay. Again fold it into half and make a square shape. Got it? See, like this, square shape. And then again fold it like this and make it a triangle shape, right? And now we will draw out a petal shape. So whichever shape of a flower, whichever type of flower shape you need, you can make it. I am just drawing a heart shaped petal. So try not to cut the ends, these two, the triangle, the pointed end. You should not cut this point end. You should just make the flower, try to make this middle portion inside. Alright? And give it a proper shape. See how I'm going to cut this now. So we'll only cut from here. Got? Yes. So we'll cut this flower petal. That's why I told you don't cut the end. You leave the end in the gap. So this is one petal. Similar way, we will cut the other petals as the same way. Fold. Petals of different colors. Okay, now next what we need to do is, this will be our first petal. The second petal, what you need to do is, you need to cut two of the petals, like this two, we will cut this two off. So one petal full we will remove it off. We will cut the two petals. So from each, this is the first petal, we will keep the first petal aside. Take the second petal, cut two petals out of it. Two petals like this. We will remove one heart from the flower. Okay. And we will keep it here. And what we will do? We will stick this flower, this end and this end we will join together and stick it like this. So it will become this way. So I'll show you. Michelle, can you just put a glue here? Michelle will help me to put some glue here. So we'll put glue in this corner like this. And how we will stick this, Michelle? Can you show? We will close this and yes. So we will stick the ends of the petal like this. So this is our second petal. Similarly, we'll take the third petal. Now we'll cut 4 petals off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 petals we'll remove it from the third layer. Then we will put glue here and we will close this in this way. Alright? So quickly. And next, the last one, we will just take the cut portion, like 1, 2, 3, 4 petals we will take and we will close it and make the last end of the petal. So we glue here also and we will close. This is the shape. It's fun, right? Let's see how beautiful this petals will look when we join it together. Right? This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take petals if you need. I'm going to make it for you. Now let's put in the center of the petal and take the third layer. Now we'll take the next layer and put some glue and we will stick this end also inside this. So it will look like a 3D flower. Yeah. And the final, the bud inside, we will take the smallest one and we will fix it inside. These are few flowers I've made. See, this is how it will look when you put all the layers and stick it. So it will look like a 3D flower. So I made it into different size. It's square shape. If you take a bigger size, this big size flowers you can make. Little more smaller size if you cut, this small size, and very small squares if you cut and make the flower, you get a tiny flower. So these flowers are made with the normal used book papers. So if you don't have any papers, you can initially start trying with these kind of papers. The rough papers that you have at home, you can try. And see, this is how our stand will look like once it is dried. The frame is ready to be decorated. You can decorate in whichever way you like according to that. So I am just showing how to decorate it with flowers. Alright? Ready, Michelle?
Yes.
So which color would you like to fix in the first? Which color will fix? Pink. Yes. So let's stick this pink flower. Put some glue behind the flower, and how will it stay? Can you stick it for me? Yes. So stick it on the stand. This. Gently give a press and let it dry. All the flowers, this is how your frame will look like. So you can put a string across here and hang it in your room, or if you want to put a photograph in this, you just need to put a paper behind this, like any cardboard or something, or even a normal paper would be fine. You stick it on this and you get a proper frame. So you can put your photos, your parents' photos, or gift to anyone. It's a very easy DIY. Do try it at home, and once you try it, do send us the pictures.
Wow, Mama, it's so pretty.
Try this at home and do send us the pic in our Instagram and Facebook page. The link is given below. Out of that, we will be posting in our next video. So till then, take care and have a nice day.
Do like and share and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.